Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix your Windows 11 laptop from overheating. So for this guys, I am going to show you one of the most easiest way to fix this issue. So for this guys, press Windows key button and here you need to search edit power plan. Okay, just click and open it. Okay, and here you can get the option change advanced power settings. Just click and open it, and here you can get the new pop-up window. Scroll down and find out processor power management. Just extend this, and here you can get the option system cooling policy, and here you need to extend on battery option. Select it active. Plugged in option, select it active. After this guys, just click on apply and click on OK. After doing this guys, you need to restart your laptop one time. After restarting, now hopefully your overheating issue was solved on your Windows 11. So this is the basic method to fix this issue. So this method also working in my laptop, so that's why I am sharing this very important solution to fix that problem. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.